Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this awesome looking smartwatch. This is called Tank M3 and this is done by a company called Rogbid. And this is an awesome looking watch. I have to mention that this is 1.85 inches big and it is 360 by 360 going all the way around on this watch itself. And on top of that, this is waterproof. Again, when you're wearing it, you will know. And on top of that, this will give you a lot of features that you are looking for. Number one, the battery on this will last you days. This will also bring to you your heart monitor, your blood pressure monitor, blood oxygen, sleep monitor, and more. Now, do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. Make sure you click the notification icon, select all, in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We'll have to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. And here are all the components that are part of the box. It comes with this user manual. Now this has been written in 3 different languages, and once you open it, you're going to see that it opens up more like a brochure because of so many languages involved. But on the top part is the English one, and you can go through it to see exactly what they have written, and then you can go page by page to even changing apps and even showing you the blood oxygen, and going next most of the apps, how it will look, and then go into the last page, which is going to be the frequent ask questions, and then go into different languages at the end. Again, it's going to be exactly the same on both sides, but just total different languages, so this way you are going to be covered. It also comes with a screen protector, and it also comes with a charger. Now it's inside of a little plastic. One side that you're going to look is going to be the magnet and also the connectors, which is a little bit wider than the other ones I have seen, and the other side is just going to be USB type A. So this is how you will be able to charge your watch. And then the big moment, which is the actual watch. This is how it looks. I really like that little cut that they have on their band, and the actual part of it is very big. I really like that part. Going on the sides, you have huge buttons and also the knob. This is the back side of the band. I really like that. And once you open it, all of the sensors that are involved with this watch, it looks very nice. It's very well done, the way that they have worked on it. I really like the way that they have placed together. So now in order to charge it, you can only use the charger one way that you can connect. There you go. And if you want to hook it up other way, it's not going to connect. It really repels. You can see that it pushes it away. So once you have it, you can see the prongs, and as soon as you connect it, it should already tell you that it is charging. Now here's the actual watch, how it looks. I really like the design around it, but if we have to turn it on, it's very vibrant. Now in order to get it really nicely, scroll from the top down, and then you will be able to go to the brightness. You can bring it all the way up in order to see it better. Now if you want to go back, just press this one time and you will be able to go back. Now there are other options in here which you can really go into like about it. The battery is still there too. You can select it. If you want to use this as a flashlight, it will really work too. Now we're not going to use that, but if you want to go here, you can add an e-card. Really helps you out. And on top of that, if you want to go to settings, you have more options inside of it that you can play with. That's not the only thing. What I really like is that it has everything inside. But what I really like is this little wheel you can switch, and you can see that the face watch really changes quickly to a different one. Now these are just the default ones that it comes with, and this is the main one that it comes with. I really like it, but again, the one that I mentioned, or the one I like, is something like this, that it will tell you everything that you need, even your footsteps. It's all going to be there. That's not the only thing. I really like that it just turns off the screen, so that way your battery lasts a lot longer. You can also do one more thing. Hold on to the screen. It will buzz for a couple of seconds, and then you can switch the screen, or you can press on a side and it will select. So this way you have a better screen. That's not the only thing. If you flip from the left side towards the right, you will get these options. Now these are all apps on how it has been done, and you can select all apps and you will be able to see it. And yes, you can change that to a different one, or you can roll it up and down, so you can select, and you can see that so many apps are in there that you can select and you can play with. What I really like is the blood oxygen and also the heartbeat monitor. That is really cool. And also if you want to go work out, this will really help you out too. And if you are going to wearing it and you're going to wash your hands, don't worry, this is safe. It will help you out. And again, if you do have a problem, you can contact them and they will be able to help you out with that. You can see that you can change the look of the app selections very easily by just pressing the top one, and it will be able to switch and you can change it very easily. Now there is a lot of apps that are inside of it, but you can see that how smooth and how nice it is for you to play with. In this way you have more access, and each one that you go into gives you some information around it. In this way you can select and you can learn more about it. Now let's go ahead and connect this with our phone, so this way we can learn more about it. From the right to the left, then you can see all the apps that are shortcutted, so this way you can get access to these easily, and you can press it again to go back to the main screen, which is really cool. And if you go from the bottom up, you will see your messages, and that's about it. So most notifications is going to be here. Alright, so now we're going to pair the watch with the phone. In order to do that, you need to get an app. And you have to go to search, and name of the app is Da Fit, so it's DA. Once you do that, you can click select, and it will be showing right here. So this is the one that you need to select. Remember that this app is free. So there you go, now it's installed. Let's open it. The next step, once you go next, you will see that 3 type of watches will show up. Now the one that we have is called M3. We go to select it, and now it's going to look for it. Make sure that your watch is turned on, and you can see that it's already connected, and it says how much battery it has. And as it shows, you will see that the Bluetooth need to be paired. Once that is done, you can click next, and now you have to set up the rest of the information, and then you can say done. And now it is totally synced with the phone, so your watch is now connected to the phone. Now let's see what's available in this app itself. Now we're not going to get a screenshot to put it on the screen, we're just going to do it direct how this is, and this is how it really looks. So you can scroll up and you can see that everything that's available in this watch will be available in front of you. So this way you can easily tell what you're looking for. Now you can see that it's my first time that I turned this on and set it up, so I haven't done anything, but you can go next and you will be able to see exactly what type of fitness you're going to ask for. It's all going to be available here, which is going to be the next icon. You can also go here to meditation training, and there's more options here for you to play with. What I like is going over here, and you can see how it is connected and all the face watches that is already been added to this, and at the bottom notifications what is available and how it's going to be working with. But you can add more. You can select the plus sign, and now it goes to the gallery, and this way you can get more face for your watch. Now this is going to be big because there's a lot of different genres, as you can see, going to recommend it. Then you can go to art, funny, colorful, modern, and then classic. So this way you can add anything you wish. So as an example, if I have to click this, you can see it right now that says to apply. So yes, it's free. It does indicate on the top that it is free, and now we will be able to just get it and it's installing. So this is how nice and easy it is to process, but again, it takes a little time for it to go through and get the information for you in order for it to be changed on the actual watch. And we just going to turn it on, so this way you can see that it is loading. I really like that how they have managed to process this, so it doesn't have to download first like some Samsung watches do and then loads it. But this is a lot better because you know that something is going to happen to the watch. I really like how they have managed to bring these all together. This is something that I always wanted to see in the watches, and now it's slowly bringing it out. And by the way, these guys are really cool in order to bring and also giving you such a big watch in regards to the other ones that I am carrying. This one is way bigger than the one I'm wearing right now, but again, it's from same company, and you can see that we slowly became fan of these type of watches, and we're wearing it more. And on top of that, because this watches is not going to lose battery that fast, we are going to be able to wear them longer, and this way we can even see if you have sleep apnea and all. This is all going to tell you how many times you woke up and what the pattern is for everything that you're looking for. So there you go, it's almost done. You can see that's 99% now, and it's changed. I really like how that is processed. This is really cool. And then you can go to your profile and you can set up your profile so you can see more about this watch itself. But this is how it's set up. I really like how this has been done. It's very easy for you to process, and you can go to your face watches. You can go back to the app, and now you will be able to see exactly how this is done. I really like how this has been set up and working. Now there is an option that you can go to heartbeat, and then you can see the measurement, and you can click and you can see that it is working. Now if I have to flip it in the back, you can see it is blinking. I really like how that is done too. All right, so now let's click on it, and in this way we can go to the heartbeat monitor. There you go. Now we're just going to click on it. It beeps for a couple of seconds, and then it's going to go through to test us out to see exactly what type of numbers or how hard our heart is beating. And you can see it's 70 right now. So it's pretty cool that it is processing it as we are holding our hand. I really like that, how fast it will bring up. And I'm just waiting for it to say, so I do have to bypass some of the scenes. But that's about it, I guess. So we are 79 BPM, and it changed right now. There you go. 77 is the number that we got, which is pretty cool. Now I do have another watch, which we're going to put right beside it, and you can see the difference in size and how big this one is. I really like how this one is managed. So I will be testing this from now on. I'm going to wear this for a little bit, and this way we can tell how good this is. This was our take. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitx.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.